Hey class, it's just me, Mr. Wee. I'm going to continue on now with the dimensional analysis for number 8. So if you're seeing this, you should be in my chemistry class, only my chemistry class when you're dealing with this. So I know I have this crossed out, but you're supposed to do number 8, okay? So the speed of light is 3 times 10 to the 10th power of centimeters over seconds. Express this speed in miles per hour. So it's almost exactly like what you've been dealing with number 7, but let me show you how to deal with it with this crazy scientific notation, okay? Seemingly tough, but it's not really that bad, all right? So deal with 3.0 times 10 to the 10th centimeters over 1 second. That's really fast, by the way. So basically in 1 second, that's how fast you travel, because that's how fast light literally travels at. And we want our final answer to be in, what is it, miles per hour, something that we've all kind of heard of. We can kind of have a better grasp at. So let me ask you a question, besides just making like this a different unit. Why is this important? Well, this is really hard to comprehend. I guess we can kind of see that in 1 second. That's a lot of centimeters that's being traveled, but we're used to seeing how far we can travel per hour, how many miles we can travel an hour. Like if you go to Las Vegas, you know that it takes like, I don't know, Las Vegas is probably like what, like a few hundred miles away. We know that it takes several hours to get there. So we have a grasp on how far that is. So if we say how fast speed the speed at which light travels, it's really easy for us to be like, oh my god, that's really fast compared to like how I drive in my car. Okay, it sounds silly, but it's true. In order for us to really comprehend how fast things are going, we want to explain it in terms that we've all been used to for many, many years. Okay, so and where we live, I don't think any of us have ever expressed speed in centimeters, travel in seconds, but we all know how, like, what miles per hour look like. Okay, so let's convert this to miles per hour. I'm sorry, convert this to miles per hour. So you can deal with it however you want. I didn't say that the last video, but you can dealing with the time first or dealing with the seconds first, however you want. Okay, so you know what? I'm gonna go from centimeters to miles, or actually, you know what? I'll go out of order even. I'll actually. Nah, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna keep the one consistent way. I think it'll be a little easier, but okay. So let's look at it's up here. So looks like there's many ways. Oh, let me hide all this stuff that's on the screen. It's annoying. Okay, let's look at a few different things. We got centimeters, we got to inches, we got to meters, we got to feet, we got to 12. We have a lot of options for what we can do right now. But you know what? I think a lot of people would be like, how about we go from centimeters to inches to feet to like, miles. Why not to miles? You can do that. You can do it however you want. But I'm going to go from centimeters to meters to maybe like, this is pretty tough, actually. I don't think there's any easy way to do this. So I guess we're going to have to kind of attack it one by one. So you know what? I'll go from centimeters to inches. So it looks like 2.54 centimeters per inch. So let's do that. So I got, let's see, for every 2.54 inches, how many centimeters? Oh, I'm sorry. I got that wrong. Whoops. I think it's, Mr. Wee's already off to a great start. 2.54 centimeters, 1 inch. Actually, can you guys give me a second? Let me see if I got white out. Let me get a little bit more clean. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna have to get away from my desk and get some white out. What's that?